Hi, my name is Adam Ballout. I'm one of the attorneys with the First Legal Clinic. Today I'm going to be talking about an adverse childhood experience known as ACES, why the work of the First Clinic is towards preventing that, and what some of the harmful consequences of an adverse childhood experience can be for a baby and their family. An adverse childhood experience is any traumatic event which occurs to a child during their first formative years of attachment development. So this can occur essentially from 0 to 17 for a child. The Center for Disease Control has published statistics which show that if a child has an adverse childhood experience, they're more likely to get another one and then another one. The more a child has of an adverse childhood experience score, this can lead to negative outcomes for a child. As they grow older, they may have issues with chronic diseases, may have issues with their health and well-being, negative effects such as education and job potential. Children who grow up in an environment of toxic stress may have difficulty forming healthy and stable relationships. According to the CDC, they may also have unstable work histories as adults, struggle with finances, jobs, and depression throughout life. These effects can also be passed on to their own children. Some children may face further exposure to toxic stress from historical and ongoing traumas due to systemic racism or the impacts of poverty resulting from limited educational and economic opportunities. The work of the First Clinic is to prevent trauma before it occurs, to prevent the unnecessary ACES score of having a baby separated from their primary attachment figure just after birth, just when that critical moment of bonding needs to happen. So instead of separating mom and baby and having mom go to a treatment facility for 30 days or 60 days, our work is to keep mom and baby together, to keep that baby bonding with mom through processes such as Eat, Sleep, Console, and other processes which keep mom and infant bonded during that critical time. We've seen from studies that during the critical time immediately following birth, that the baby's brain changes and mom's brain changes during that time. So there's really a critical window there for bonding that shouldn't be missed. We know that the systems that we're trying to prevent our clients from entering are racially disproportionate systems. One study in Nassau County, New York, removed race from petitions for removal to separate children from being submitted to the court. Within 5 years, the number of Black children removed from their families was reduced considerably. So we know that these systems are disproportionately impacting families of color and Native American families. And so whatever effort we can make to try to prevent these families from coming into the system and preventing these traumas from repeating themselves, cycles and generations over and over, we work to try to prevent that. We surround moms immediately with support, legal advice, connect them to community resources, and then connect them to a parent ally that's been through this process before, a trusted messenger, somebody who understands what's needed for the next steps. So a combination of all of these things make our clinic successful. And our primary work is to keep families together and to prevent trauma before it starts. Thank you.